Hi everyone, welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how I make these tender smothered oxtails. This simple, quick, and easy recipe, I'm just going to go ahead and place my clean oxtails in a bowl, and I'm adding in about 3 heaping tablespoons of green seasoning. I'm also going to add in some brown sugar and also a couple other seasonings. Now, I will have everything listed down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Okay, so we're just going to keep throwing all these seasoning in. It's all about flavor, okay? When you're cooking a smothered meat like oxtails, there's very thick meat. You want it to be very flavorful and tender with a lot of sauce, okay? Y'all, so let's continue to season this bad boy up. So I will be using this beautiful Tbs Brand Caribbean oxtail seasoning. Oh my gosh, this is a game changer, y'all. I'm so in love with this seasoning. It is amazing. I really love that brand as well. So next, I'm just going to add in a little W sauce and also some browning seasoning. Now with the Jamaican browning sauce right here, this is just gonna give it that color that I want. Okay, so I love to have a beautiful brown color when I'm making smothered any type of meat. Okay, smothered oxtail, smothered chicken. As y'all know, my brown stew chicken, I love that perfect brown color. So we're going to take our time to massage all those seasonings on the meat very well. If you have disposable gloves, go ahead and use those. I will be using the pressure cooker to make my oxtails. It's so much faster. I don't want to wait hours anymore. As soon as they made the pressure cooker, it was a game changer. Everything was over. I have my setting set on saute. We're going to saute this for about 1 to 2 minutes each side. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and turn them all. I will be sprinkling a little bit of flour to create that sauce that I want. Okay, so you can do this before, or you can take the oxtails out and do it with the vegetables with a little bit of oil. But this is an easier and quicker way because it's going to cook all at the same time regardless. So I'm adding in all my fresh vegetables. I have onion, garlic, green bell pepper, thyme, all of that good stuff. So now after that, I'm going to, all that sauce that we had in the bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add in that beef broth. Okay, so if you need low sodium, go ahead and add half water, half beef broth. But once everything is done, make sure you season to taste. So you want to taste it before everybody else tastes it, because you want to make sure it's very good and delicious, okay? So I'm going to whisk in a little bit more flour to my liking because I'm adding in more liquid to create that perfect light gravy sauce. Not too thick of a gravy sauce, but really light. So I'm going to go ahead and add in all of the beef broth now, and we're going to let this pressure cook for about 1 hour. Look at that, falling off the bone, tender goodness, y'all. Okay, this is what you want. This is how the oxtails are supposed to be, on the bone but falling off. Okay. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. If you decide to recreate this recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisine Story.